Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna throw this down to you. No, I'm just kidding.
Go down my slide. Ouch.
All right, here she
Okay,
comes.
sit down.
She's gonna sit and slide.
I'm not moving. No, you guys go. Go. I'm not leaving.
Come on, slide.
Go on, G. I'm gonna die. Look at that.
You're not gonna die if you go down where I went. See my trail?
Yeah, I see what you have, but there's big rock in the way.
No, there isn't. I slid right around it.
Crawl down.
Do I have to come up there and pull you?
Yeah.
Why don't I go up?
Huh?
Then why don't I go up?
Okay, Carl has to go rescue Allie. You see Allie sitting up there? We climbed up there, and then she decided she wasn't going to come back down. So Carl, if you see him, he's going up to rescue her. Now Carl climbed inside. He's going to help Allie get down. Now Allie's starting to slide down. Here she comes. Here she comes, right down the mountain.
Oh, come on, you wussy. I did it.
And there's Carl. Coming down. There's Allie. She made it. Allie made it. There's Carl. Woo!